Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these earrings. The materials you'll be needing to make this earring are a head pin, an earring hook, beads of your choice, and I also have this rhinestone baser. The tools I'll be needing are a round nose plier and a flash cutter. So let's get started onto making this earring. So the first thing we are going to be doing is placing our beads on your head pin, and since mine is too long, I need to cut it. So first I'm going to bend it before cutting it. Now we are going to start making the loop. Before you close your loop, you'll be needing to add a earring hook. There you have nice and beautiful earrings. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, please hit that like button down below, subscribe to watch more videos like this about jewelry and crafts, and comment down below if you have any suggestions. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!